Welcome to the French Made Easy podcast, where I give you all the basics you need to speak French clearly and confidently. I'm your host, Mathilde, and I'm a French teacher, mompreneur, and bread and cheese lover. Join me as I dive into all things French for beginners and deliver to you bite-sized, easy-to-follow lessons every Tuesday. Let's get started. On commence. Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 124, numéro 124. Today is a French vocabulary episode where we are diving into the Halloween spirit. We'll learn 15 words related to Halloween in French, plus I'll give you some example sentences for context. Now, before we start, as always, if you are new to the podcast, please make sure you have your lessons cheat sheet ready so you can see the spelling of the words while you listen. And when you finish this episode, you can head over to the French Made Easy exercise library to download your lessons exercises and practice what you've learned today. You will find all the download links in the episode notes. All right, now on to our Halloween vocabulary. Please repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. La sorcière. Witch. La sorcière. La sorcière vole sur son balai la nuit. The witch flies on her broomstick at night. La sorcière vole sur son balai la nuit. Le sorcier, wizard. Le sorcier. Le sorcier prépare une potion dans son chaudron. The wizard is preparing a potion in his cauldron. Le sorcier prépare une potion dans son chaudron. Le fantôme, ghost. Le fantôme. Le manoir est habité par un fantôme. The manor is inhabited by a ghost. Le manoir est habité par un fantôme. La citrouille, pumpkin. La citrouille. J'ai acheté une citrouille pour faire une lanterne. I bought a pumpkin to make a lantern. J'ai acheté une citrouille pour faire une lanterne. Le vampire, vampire. Le vampire. Le vampire se cache avant le lever du soleil. The vampire hides before sunrise. Le vampire se cache avant le lever du soleil. Le monstre, monster. Le monstre. Pour Halloween, il veut se déguiser en monstre. For Halloween, he wants to dress up as a monster. Pour Halloween, il veut se déguiser en monstre. La toile d'araignée, spiderweb. La toile d'araignée. La maison est couverte de toiles d'araignée. The house is covered in spiderwebs. La maison est couverte de toiles d'araignée. La chauve-souris, bat. La chauve-souris. La chauve-souris sort de sa grotte à la tombée de la nuit. The bat comes out of its cave at dusk. La chauve-souris sort de sa grotte à la tombée de la nuit. Le loup-garou, werewolf. Le loup-garou. Il devient loup-garou à la pleine lune. He becomes a werewolf at the full moon. Il devient loup-garou à la pleine lune. Le zombie. Zombie. Le zombie. Ce film d'horreur parle d'une invasion de zombies. This horror movie is about a zombie invasion. Ce film d'horreur parle d'une invasion de zombies. Le bonbon, candy. Le bonbon. Les enfants aiment recevoir des bonbons à Halloween. Children like to receive candy on Halloween. Les enfants aiment recevoir des bonbons à Halloween. Les déguisements, costumes, les déguisements. Les déguisements sont prêts pour la fête d'Halloween. The costumes are ready for the Halloween party. Les déguisements sont prêts pour la fête d'Halloween. La lune, the moon, la lune. La lune brille dans le ciel nocturne. The moon shines in the night sky. La lune brille dans le ciel nocturne. Le chat noir, black cat, le chat noir. Un chat noir traverse la rue. A black cat crosses the street. Un chat noir traverse la rue. La maison hantée, haunted house. La maison hantée. Beaucoup pensent que cette vieille maison est hantée. Many believe that this old house is haunted. Beaucoup pensent que cette vieille maison est hantée. Alright, so that is it for our 15 Halloween words. Now let's just do a quick recap. La sorcière, witch. Le sorcier, wizard. Le fantôme, ghost. La citrouille, pumpkin. Le vampire, vampire. Le monstre, monster. La toile d'araignée, spiderweb. La chauve-souris, bat. Le loup-garou, werewolf. Le zombie, zombie. Le bonbon, candy. Les déguisements, costumes. La lune, moon. Le chat noir, black cat. La maison hantée, haunted house. And voila, now you know 15 Halloween words in French. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want to practice, head over to the French Made Easy exercise library to download your exercises. All the links are on your podcast platform. À bientôt. Bye. Hey, it's me again. Before you go, I just wanted to let you know that if you are struggling with French pronunciation, I am excited to announce my new and free beginner's audio guide. It's called 5-Step Roadmap to Effortless French Pronunciation. It's really designed to simplify your French pronunciation journey and to make it less overwhelming for you. So if you are a beginner starting or restarting to learn French and you want to improve your French pronunciation, then this audio guide is perfect for you. And obviously, you'll also get a transcript with the audio guide so you can follow along while you listen. So click the link inside your podcast notes to access your audio guide. It is free. À bientôt. Bye.